Pokan is not our group first. It's your group. Bro, our best friend. Okay, boy. Cook it, boy.
I wanna party with Heather.
Cook it, boy.
We spinning 50s and better.
Amandla.
Can see through the leather.
Way too long.
Don't be changing.
When I first saw that video, boy,
I wanna party with Heather.
Cause we the second group. We finna do our thing. You ready, Michael?
I wanna party with Heather.
Cook it. Look at Brown. Brown is always thinking content. That's the first thing that comes on your mind, right?
Don't be changing.
Well, yeah, man. I'm not lie, but I need a cool little flick.
I wanna party with Heather.
Guys, apparently the school is bombing.
school is on fire. We about to die.
About to fire. So they have everybody saying out the thing. Don't worry, I'm gonna save this school, guys. I'm saving it.
Yes, I'm living life because I'm moving back. But me, I know you fly. Why?
Hello, Kapuli. Kapuli.
Oh, they took it to the. Kapuli.
All in it, and I just wanna be with you tonight. Boy, please. Yeah, it's true, but I changed.
That's not a picture, bro. Let's do it. What up, dog?
Kapuli, how are you guys doing?
Let me get some food, Kapuli.
I'm so fucking tired.
I'm a whole construction work. Look at me. Coco, rate my fifth from 1 to 10. Rate my fifth.
What did it say?
Rate it from 1 to 10.
Oh, 1 to 10?
As a construction worker.
2.5.
2.5? That's crazy. What? Shit. My brother rated. I know you're gonna give me an honest rating. You got sources again.
Because you look like an unemployed person, I would say like a 5.
5. I don't like
Are
it.
these Timmins? Okay.
I'm just a part, right?
I love that.
I'm just a part.
Did you get folks?
Why?
I'm hardly good folks, babe.
This is how the weather looking.
The thing is, like, I know how Skaii dresses.
This
in
man
his real
didn't
life.
get Soviet.
The way Skaii dresses in his real life is so peak.
I don't want to talk about money. I don't think that I should talk about money.
Fuck it, I don't talk about money.
Man didn't get Soviet or fork.
Okay,
What the heck?
Gonna be on YouTube. Big YouTube.
What? Not John. What? What?
They're gonna do that to me.
What's up, Star?
Hands on deck. I have to get these braids off because I'm shooting.
You can take one. You can take one.
Today,
Yeah.
hands on deck.
Guys, I'm shooting and I'm gonna be wearing like a wig and stuff, which I've never worn before. in my entire life.
Us, Ari too, help you unbraid.
Yeah, he's a-
Ari, Ari, you need to unbraid her hair.
Oh my goodness, no. What?
No what?
I got you, baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then Skaii will also unbraid
got
you.
you.
Yeah, Skaii. Skaii, you and Ari are gonna unbraid Coco's hair today.
How the fuck
And we all go to my house liquor.
Hell no. Hey, fuck no. Fuck no. Hell no. No.
Yes.
You know what? I will buy
Gonna buy a second.
Skaii liquor.
Oh, okay. I'll help you untangle Coco. I got you.
Ari, you got a girl, okay?
Go.
You got a
Say,
girl.
buy me liquor. Buy me liquor. I'll undo your hair for liquor.
I'll do anything. I'll do whatever it takes to.
What
That's
liquor do you
crazy.
want?
What do you want?
What do you want? But
I know. Okay.
So these people are discussing liquor.
We got blackmailed into buying them liquor.
Yeah, imagine just to undo her hair.
Like literally, you
Just
my
to
boyfriend,
undo
you're
her
supposed to
hair.
help me for free.
That's
Why
crazy.
should I
We have a
freaking
verdict.
pay?
We have a verdict. Scott, take it away.
So the way we
Freaking
spoke about this,
alcoholic. Yeah.
we have decided that
Give me alcohol. Relax.
we don't need a lot. We just need a young 3 liter.
Of what? No, you guys are crazy.
3 liters crazy.
75, y'all can't take us 75? Y'all can't take us 75?
75. I can. Oh, so y'all can take out 75.
Yeah, we can take us 75.
Yeah, take out 25.
But you said it on big YouTube.
No. I said I'ma get for this nigga. I didn't say for this nigga.
I'm gonna get him an energy drink because he loves those. Period.
Shout out.
Energy drink!
Shut up, Switch.
Are you?
How the fuck did this switch up on me? How you feel, Tim?
I'm gonna buy my woman flowers, bro.
Don't film me though.
Boom.
Coco.
When I get fine shit, she's getting all of this. Shorty, you getting all of this, bro.
Where's the
But you left in the car. Who?
You.
Bitch ass nigga.
now?
Okay, let's go run with your size 11s right there.
Not right there. So yeah, as I was saying, chat. For my fine shit, she ain't finna just get
She
one.
finna get everything.
But she finna, hey, but everything now is finna seem like it's a funeral.
You know what I mean?
She finna get
It's a-
one.
You gotta put them together.
You're right.
Like, I
These are fire. These are fire. These are fire, because these are scary for the funeral.
You know what I'm saying?
Wait, how do you guys know which is giving funeral though?
Sky, I feel like it's all the time to buy these.
Yeah, you're a Sky, but yeah, I'm sorry.
But man on size 11s. D.
What size that is?
11, boy.
Boy, nothing's bigger than this.
Ruby red.
Combine the black shit, the same size as this.
Yeah, I'm tired as hell, you feel me? I'm getting in sleep. When did you get here?
What you mean?
How did you get here? That's crazy. How did you get here?
I don't know.
You sneaked in.
Yeah. Niggas gon' see my Grammy and be like, damn, he up. Feeling like I'm on top, feeling like I can't be touched. I don't wanna play shit safe, think it's time my ante up.